Good morning children. Welcome back to your maths class. In previous class, I taught additions and subtractions of unlike fractions. Today I am going to explain real life applications. That is nothing but word problems. This is exercise 6.10. So you know that how to follow the steps. First step, you should read the question. And what is the second step? What is given in the question you should identify. And third one, what operation we have to apply. And the final one, we should find the answer. These are the first step. Four steps. So first I am reading the question. Listen carefully and look at on the board. Ravi's school is 1/2 kilometers from his house. He cycles this distance daily. One day, his cycle tire got punctured. After he had gone 1/4 kilometers, what distance did he have to walk? This is the question. What is given? The distance between Ravi's house to school is given. How much? 2.5 kilometers. Right? And daily how he is going? By cycle. Next. One day what happened? After going 1/4 kilometers, the cycle got punched. After that, how he went? By walking. Right? So what is the question? What do you want to find out here? What distance did he have to walk? How much distance he has to walk? That you have to find out. See children, this is Ravi's house. Suppose this is school. Ravi's house to school. How much distance? Total distance is 1/2 kilometers. Km means kilometer. That's we have to write. Total distance from Ravi's house to school is 1/2 kilometers. Km means kilometers. Okay. Now, one day distance travelled by cycle. How much distance he travelled by using cycle? 1/4 kilometers. In this total distance, he travelled 1/4 kilometers. Here I am writing 1/4 kilometers. Okay, this is not half. 1/4 kilometers. So, one day distance travelled by cycle is equal to 1/4 kilometers. Right? Remaining distance. How he went? By walk. That you have to find out. Distance has to be walked by Ravi. You know total distance? How much distance? In that, how much distance he travelled by using cycle? You know that. Remaining distance you want to find out. What you have to do? You should do subtraction. What numbers? 1/2 kilometers minus 1/4 kilometers. Right? What is this fractions? 2 are in mixed fraction. So first you convert into improper fraction. How to convert? You know that. Denominator into whole number plus numerator by same denominator. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5/2 minus 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So 5/4. Now you check it. Both the denominators are same or not? They are not like fractions. So what you have to do? You should take LCM for the denominator part. Why we are taking LCM? To convert these denominators into like fractions. These fractions into like fractions. So see, what are the denominators? 2, 4. So with table will go. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now LCM is equal to 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4. Right? That 4 you should write here. Now take the first fraction. 5 by 2. What is the denominator here? 2. These 2 how many times it goes in 4? 2 times. Right? The 2 into numerator. 2 into 5. What is the symbol in the middle? 5 minus 4. How many times it goes in 4? 1 time. 1 into what is there in the numerator? 5. Right? Now you do multiplication and do subtraction. 2 5s are 10 minus 5 1s are 5 by 4. 10 minus 5. 5 by 4 kilometers. Alright? 5 by 4 is an improper fraction. You should convert into mixed fraction. How to convert we will see now. Numerator you should divide by denominator. Right? So 5 you should divide by 4. 4 ones are 4. Now remainder 1. This quotient is called whole number and remainder is called numerator and divisor is called denominator. So 5 by 4 kilometers can be written as 1 by 4 kilometers. That's all. Is it clear, children? Now see the second question in this exercise, children. Arun wants to buy a marker. He has rupees 3 1 by 2. His father gave him rupees 5 1 by 4. How much money does he have now? What is given? Some amount Arun has. How much? Rupees 3 1 by 2. Right? And his father gave how much amount? 5 1 by 4 rupees. What do you want to find out here? Now, how much money does Arun has? You want to find it. Okay? Look at the board, children. Money Arun has is equal to how much rupees? Rupees 3 1 by 2. This is a mixed fraction. You should convert into improper fraction. Say 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2 rupees. Okay. Now money given by his father. How much amount he is given? Rupees 5 1 by 4. So rupees 5 1 by 4. This is also a mixed fraction that you should convert into improper fraction. See, 4 5s are 20. Denominator into whole number plus numerator. 4 5s are 20 plus 1. 21 by 4 rupees. Clear? Now, what do you want to find out? How much money does he have now? Means what you have to do? You should do addition. That I wrote total money Arun has now is equal to. See, I am taking these two numbers. Rupees 7 by 2 plus rupees 21 by 4. See, given fractions are like fractions? No. So what you have to do? You should take LCM for the denominators. So what are the denominators here? 2, 4. So which table will go? 2 table will go in these two numbers. 2 how many times it will goes in 2? 1 time. 2 how many times it will goes in 4? 2 times. Right? Now, except when any table will go in these two numbers? No. So what you have to do? You should do multiplication. Outside numbers you should do multiplication. 2 into 1 into 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what is the LCM here? 4. Right? Now take first fraction 7 by 2. In that what is the denominator? 2. This 2 how many times it goes in 4? 2 times. That 2 into the fraction numerator. So 2 into 7. Right? Now what is the symbol in the middle? Plus. Now what is the second fraction? 21 by 4. What is the denominator here? 4. This 4 how many times it will goes in this LCM? 1 time. That 1 into that numerator. 21. Okay. Now 2 7s are, do multiplication. 2 7s are 40 plus 1 21 are 21 by 4. That is equal to 4 plus 1 5, 1 plus 2 3, 35 by 4. What is that fraction is called? Improper fraction. So that you should convert into mixed fraction. Here I am writing that one. 35 you should divide by 4. You know fourth table very well, right? So 4 8s are 32. What is the remainder? 3. So this quotient is called whole number. Remainder is right in numerator and divisor is in denominator. So what is that fraction? 8 3 by 4 rupees. Total amount Arun has now is equal to rupees 8 3 by 4. Okay. So now I am going to explain third problem in exercise 6.10. See, Ram's mother had 4 apples. She gave each one of Ram's 3 friends half an apple to eat. How much of the 4 apples remained? Total how many apples are there? 4 apples. How many friends? 3 friends. Each one how much she gave? Half. HALF half means 1 by 2. Okay. What you want to find out? How much of the 4 apples remain? Means what we have to do? We should do subtraction. Okay? See. Number of apples Ram's mother has. How many apples? 4. So right? 4. Next. Apples distributed to each one of his 3 friends. Each one how much she gave? Half. Half means what is the symbol? While writing how will you write? 1 by 2. So how many members she distributed? 3 members. So 1 by half plus 1 by half.
1 by 2.
Sorry, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now, see here, is all see these fractions? All are like fractions. So, no need to take LCM. You should add the numerators and denominator should remain same. Right? So, 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to how much? 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So, how many apples she distributed? 3 by 2. Right? Remaining apples Ram's mother has. What we have to do? You should do subtraction from total apples. Right? So, 4 minus 3 by 2. Here nothing is there. So, you write it in the denominator part 1. Now LCM is 1 2 the 2. Now this 1 how many times it will goes into? 2 times. That 2 into this numerator. 2 into 4. What is the middle sign? Minus. 2 how many times it will goes into? 1 time. 1 3s are 3. Right? Now 2 4s are 8 minus 3 by 2. 8 minus 3 how much? 5. So 5 by 2. This is an improper fraction. You should convert into mixed fraction. 5 1 by 2 can be written as 5 by 2 can be written as 5 you should divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. What is the remainder? 1. So this can be written as 2 1 by 2 apples. How many apples are remaining? 2 1 by 2 apples. Okay. Now I am going to explain ninth one. See, what should be subtracted from 4 4 by 5 to make it 1 3 by 10? This is the question. You are subtracting one number from this fraction. Then the result is 1 3 by 10. For example, 8 is one number. In that, if you are how much if you are subtracting, its value will come as 5. Right, 3. That means this unknown number you think as x, then 8 minus x is equal to 5. Now you take it that x, this negative number, it goes to that side, moves, it takes positive, and this positive number, if you are bringing this side, it takes negative. So 8 minus 5 is equal to x. That is 3. So x value is 3. Okay? See children, let the number to be subtracted is equal to x. From which number you are subtracting this x? From 4 by 5. Then the result is 1 3 by 10. That can be written as, see, 4 by 5 minus x is equal to 1 3 by 10. Okay, this is mixed fraction. These two you should convert into improper fraction. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24 by 5 minus x is equal to 10 1s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13 by 10. Okay, now x is equal to, this one you go to that side and that one you bring to this side. Then 24 by 5 minus 13 by 10. Okay. Now see, these two fractions are like fractions. No. So what you have to do? You should take LCM for the denominators part. What are the denominators? 5 1 10. Which table will go? 5 table. 5 how many times it will goes in 5? 1 time. And 5 how many times it will goes in 10? 2 times. Now still anything is there to do LCM? No. So what you have to do? Outside numbers you should do multiplication. So LCM is equal to 5 into 1 into 2. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So what is the LCM? 10. So x is equal to 10. Now this 5 how many times it will goes in this 10? In first fraction, 24 by 5. 5 how many times it will goes in 10? 2 times. That 2 into numerator. 2 into 24 minus 10. How many times it will goes in 10? 1 time. 1 into 13. Okay. Now you do multiplication. 24 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 48 minus 1 13s are 13 by 10. That is equal to, now you do subtraction. 8 minus 3, 5. 4 minus 1, 3. 35 by 10. That can be written as, if you are doing, this is an improper fraction, you should convert into mixed fraction. 3 tens are 30. What is the remainder? 5. So 3 5 by 10. And you see, this you should convert into lowest terms also. Okay, leave it like that. Or else this can be written as 35 by 10. You should convert into lowest terms. What I said, which table it will go in these two numbers, we have to see. 5 table will go. Because you know the divisibility rule. One's place digit must be 0 or 5. In those two numbers, 5 table will go. So, both numerator and denominator you should divide by 5. Then 5 how many times it will go in 35? 7 times. Right? 5 how many times it will go in 10? 2 times. Now, this is 35 by 10 is equal to 7 by 2. This is also, it is an improper fraction. You should convert into mixed fraction. 7 you should divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. Now 7 minus 6, 1. So this can be written as 3, 1 by 2. Okay? See children, this is the 10th question in exercise 6.10. What should be added to 2 4 by 9 to make it 5 5 by 12? This is the question. Okay. How much if you are adding, the result it will come 5 5 by 12. So see here. Let the number to be added is equal to x. Any number, if two numbers are adding, the result number is greater than each one. Right? So 5 5 by 12 is greater number. Right? So see, 2 4 by 9 plus x is equal to 5 5 by 12. This is a mixed fraction and this is mixed fraction. So these both you should convert into improper fraction. See, 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4, 22 by 9 plus x is equal to 12 5s are 60. 60 plus 5, 65 by 12. Now you want to find out x. So x is equal to 65 by 12. This is greater number. So you should subtract this number, you should subtract from 65 by 12. So minus 22 by 9. Okay. Now see, these given fractions are like fractions? No. So you should convert. You should take LCM for the denominators. 12 9. Which table will go? 3 table will go. Right? So 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Again, any table will go in these two numbers? No. So what you have to do? You should multiply outside number. 3 into 4 into 3. 3 4s are 12. 12 3s are 36. So what is the LCM here? 36 is the LCM. Now 12 how many times it will go in 36? 3 times. 3 4 you should do close it. Remaining what is there? 3. With that 3 you should multiply the numerator. 3 into 65 minus 9 how many times it will go in 36? 4 times. 4 into that numerator 22. Otherwise like this. 9 no 3 3s are 9. Close it. Remaining how much? 4. That into this numerator. Okay. Now x is equal to 36. Now 65 into 3. Here I am doing multiplication. 3 5s are 15. 1 carrying. 3 6s are 18 plus 1. 9. So 195 minus 4 into 22. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 88. So 195 minus 88. 5 does not goes from, 8 does not goes from 5. So take borrowing from the next number. Then 9 becomes 8. This 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8, 7. 8 minus 8, 0, 1. So what is the answer? 107 by 36. Okay. Now this one you should convert into mixed fraction. Here I am doing that one. 107. You should divide by 36. 36 3s are maybe 3 times. 3 6 are 18. 1 carrying 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. Is 108 goes from 107? No. So you should take just before 3. So 36 2s are. 2 6 are 12. 1 carrying. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 72. So how many times is 72 goes from 107? Yes. So how many times? 2 times. That 2 you should write in the quotient place and do subtraction. 7 minus 2, 5. 10 minus 7, 3, 35. Is 35 less than 36? Yes. So our answer is correct. So how can you write this 107 by 36 into mixed fraction? That can be written as 235 by 36. This is the mixed fraction. Okay.